the Figma account. So your browser, click on Figma, then you click on it. So you can scroll down and see how Figma website is. That's for you. You can, if you already have an account, you can click on login. If you want to start get started for free, you can click on get started for free. So we are going to get started for free. So if you have an account link on Google, you can just continue with Google, or you type your Gmail and password, then create account. But in this video, I want to just continue with Google. So I think I'll be putting my Google password. Okay, I've not authenticated with Google before, so I'll just type my password. So guys, I've signed in, so I'll press continue. So you're gonna see how your dashboard is gonna be for beginners. Let's give it time to load. Okay, it's asking my name. What's my name? You can call my name Donald, or you can skip all of this. So what kind of work do you want to do? User research. Okay, so can just nobody just me. So you can basically write any of these things that you want to do. I just want to skip. Honestly. No, the first time. You can basically skip any of this. So you are not paying any money. You are a starter. It's basically free, except you want to do on professional, but this is a tutorial video. So design with Figma. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. What do you like to do first? Or we can skip it, or I'll go and finish. So there are many ways to sign in, signing in. So guys, they say learn Figma basic. You can go here and learn some Figma basic with an example file, import to your website, use plugin and the rest. So I just want to cancel. So this is how your interface is going to be like. You get, this is how your interface is going to be like. This is how your interface is going to be like. But basically, you can come to the home page. How to come to the home page? You click on this place, main menu, that there's something like F, that's Figma logo. So you click on it, you go to back to file. We don't want to work anything now. This is just a tutorial video on how to create an account on Figma. So yeah, this is basically our Figma. Home page. Here is a design project, Figma board import. But basically, we are going to be working, anything you are doing, we're going to be using draft to design file. Let's say you want to work now. Okay, I don't want to go on take a tour on file browser. No, so that's what I'm doing. So basically, if you're in draft, not your team, just go to draft. You're in draft. You can basically create a new file. So these are the places you're going to work on. All your design is going to be here. You can name it whatever you want to do. Testing, UI UX. So this is just a tutorial video on it. So I think my next video I'll be showing you guys how you can make use of all of these tools of designing and on all of them. So this is just a video on how to create a Figma account. Please hit the likes button so that YouTube will share this video to more people, and you can comment, drop your comment. If you want me to drop more video, drop your comment. Also subscribe to this channel. There's going to be more videos we're going to be teaching for beginner friendly. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you very much.